Okay, I'm going to show you how to change your features in Desmos to do feedback. So first you go to teacher.desmos.com/labs. And then you just have to make sure it'll look like this. So you just have to make sure it is clicked. So now when you go to teacher.desmos.com, and if you are engaging in an activity, so let's say this activity that my students did, and this is these are fake names. So when we're looking at a student work, you can click this right here to give student feedback on their thinking. You can click this button to go see different students, but students can only see their feedback if they're signed in, so that might be nice to have them create an account with their Seattle Public Schools email. Okay, that's it.